DS diving here July 9th at Majic Carpet. Gonna do an after clean video and take a little extra time on your starboard side. See, I was told there was an accident on the trailer. The only damage that I outright noticed was along the water line. Might want to move your dock light, your props cut. I'm just going to swim the port real quick and then pop up on the storm to starboard and take a nice long one. Alright, I'm going to start with the inside and move back around. All of that on the keel looks like just usual wear and tear, but this is the stuff that I saw on the water line. But besides that, I don't see anything. DS diving. Thank you.